the championship.
Aw, man.
There's no way we can take down this Titan Croc, just the two of us!
It's a striking turn of events, folks. Not only has the Champions Cup been compiled, but my new monster trucks be able to out-monster this monster? All the skills they've learned together at Camp Crush. The boss battle has begun! Oh, yeah!
Good for the pores! Rolling! Smash and roar!
These trucks are pulling out all the stops! Paint Brawl, Truck Darts, and now Mad Dash capture the flag skills put to the ultimate test!
Speedy Frenzy!
He's done it! Become Mega Size! But does supersized super truck have what it takes to take him down?
Time to win this thing!
Fear the freak!
Not so tough now,